Hey guys, Bart coming to you from TST Industries in Florida, bringing you another episode of TST Garage on this stormy Florida afternoon. We have some elements working against us. If you guys can hear, we have torrential downpours going on and we can't silence them. I think there's a hurricane coming or something, and there's wasps flying in here. I don't know what happened today, but we're still gonna pull it off for you guys. So, in this video, we have the Kawasaki KLX250 in the shop. We will be installing our Gen 2 flasher relay on this bike. This part is commonly used for reversing the hyperflash situation caused by removing OEM signals and replacing them with LED type signals that draw much less current than the OEM setup. Typically you could wire in resistors in parallel with your signaling system that will add additional current draw to your system. It'll fix your flash rate, but it's cumbersome. You have heated elements floating around. So this is a plug and play component. Remove the seat, plug it in place of the OEM unit. We actually have an additional feature on our system where you could extract it from its enclosure and access this little adjuster. Turning it clockwise versus counterclockwise will speed up or slow down your flash rate, and you could customize your flash rate to your liking that way. I'm the kind of guy that likes the OEM 85 cycles per minute flash rate, so I just plug them in and let them be. That's what we'll show in this video. Enjoy. All right, let's get started. First step, we'll need to remove the seat. To do that, we need to remove this panel and also this fastener on the other side. This is done with 8mm socket wrench. One additional fastener has to come out here. This is for the strap that holds the seat in. Now we pull back and lift here while the front of the seat comes down and dislodges from this sliding clip. And now we have access to this area where all of the relays and electrical equipment is. Pull up on the box that is located on the right side, rightmost side forward section here. And this is your OEM relay. Unplug it like this. Strip off the rubber keeper. Replace the keeper onto our TST Gen 2 relay. And plug it back in. Hang the relay assembly back on the frame, and now we'll be able to test the system, make sure it's flashing right. There we go. Perfect. Simple as that. Now I'm just going to go in the reverse order of this assembly. All right, let's make sure everything works properly after reassembly. We have signaling at the correct rate, and it really only took about, 5 minutes? So if you're not gonna adjust it, if you're not gonna adjust your flash rate beyond what it's set to, it takes about 5 minutes, like you saw. Simple enough? Cool. We're gonna be done here. We're gonna go seek shelter. If you guys want more info on these products, it's tstindustries.com. We'll see you there.